is a point in between P and Q somewhere, and that coordinates are -1 and 6. Let us name this as S, okay? And we mark this as x1, y1, x2, y2, and this has to be x and y. Now we need to find that in what ratio PQ is divided because of the S. In what ratio PQ is divided with the S. In the previous problem, we had the ratio, we needed to find the coordinates. In this problem, we have the coordinates and we need to find the ratio. What we can do is, they have given x and y both, right? We can take any of these values, either -1 and 6, and use the section formula and find out the ratio.